Hey guys, Dan the Man 92 back in with another video for you guys. Today's video, it's all about the Hobart Handler 125. Got this welding machine off of one of my coworkers. He said he was having issues with it. He replaced the wire feed motor, but it's still not working. I turned it on today and it's running the wire backwards. So instead of pulling the wire through the torch, it's just pushing it back out. So I'm gonna be fixing that up in a future video. This is just the introduction video. The next video, I'm just gonna be cleaning it all up, making it look better. And then the video after that, we'll be diagnosing everything. So should be pretty good. So anyway, guys, stay tuned. So here we go with the Hobart Handler 125. Just a little overview of the shape that it's in right now. So yeah, like I was saying, it was pushing the wire out instead of in through the wire guides and out the torch. But should be an easy fix. Well, like I said, the next video I'll just be wiping it all down, rid of all this stuff. Yeah, that can go. Just making it look cleaner. Here is one of the covers, has a wiring diagram on it. Then on the other cover has the welding guide right there. So I'll be, once again, wiping all that up, seeing if I can clean all that up. So anyway, you guys, let's finish this video up. So thank you guys for watching. Should be a fun project. I'm looking forward to it. I've been wanting a welder for a while now, so what better way than to just start working on one yourself. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Also subscribe if you are not currently subscribing. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.